Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar dipped a slight 0.1% against the yen in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 2.9% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The gold dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The RSI indicates an overbought market. The oil dollar pair rose 1.4% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.8% during the session. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
US stocks ended sharply lower as Federal Reserve officials took a cautious approach in comments on the outlook for interest rate cuts, while investors braced for Friday's key US monthly jobs report. Ripple, the enterprise-focused blockchain service and creator of the XRP ledger, is introducing its own stablecoin, pegged to the price of the US dollar, citing clear demand for stablecoins. The Canadian dollar edged lower against its US counterpart, giving back its earlier gains as investors assessed recent strength in commodities and awaited domestic jobs data that could offer clues on prospects of avoiding a recession.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's factory orders will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's coincident index at 0500 hours GMT, the Eurozone's retail sales at 0900 hours GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions will be released at 1930 GMT. The US non-farm payrolls at 1230 GMT. Australia's exports at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.